Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning, students. Hope all of you are fine and in the best condition of health and iman. Grade 4, this is your English lesson, and in this lesson, as you know, we were doing pronouns, page number 16 and 17 and 18 we have done. As you know, dear students, we discussed about pronouns. Personal pronouns. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of one or more nouns. Dear students, as you know, we discussed about pronouns, and pronoun is a word that takes place of nouns. They can be the subject or object of the sentence. They can be the subject or object of the sentence. The pronouns, as you can see, the list of personal pronouns: singular pronouns, subject pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, they, we, are used in the subject position. And object pronouns, me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them, are used in the object position. Dear students, today we will do page number 19 of your grammar skill books. Open your grammar skills books and come to page number 19. Dear students, today we will discuss about reciprocal pronouns. Let's begin with the definition of the word reciprocal. A reciprocal action or arrangement involves two people or groups of people who behave in the same way or agree to help each other and give each other advantages. Now, dear students, reciprocal action or arrangement involves two people or groups. You usually use each other if two peoples are involved. If two peoples are involved or two groups are involved, then you use each other. And if more than two people are involved, then you use one another. If two people are involved, then you use each other, and if more than two people are involved, then you use one another. We use reciprocal pronouns when two or more people do the same thing. When two or more people do the same thing. Traditionally, each other refers to two people. Each other refers to two people. One another refers to more than two people. One another refers to more than people, but this distinction is disappearing in modern English. We use reciprocal pronouns when two or more people do the same thing. For example, you can see Peter and Mary. Mary helped one another. Peter and Mary helped one another. Peter helped Mary and Mary helped Peter. We sent each other Christmas cards. We sent them a Christmas card and they sent us a Christmas card. They didn't look at one another. He didn't look at her and she didn't look at him. And our next point is on page number 19. We also use the possessive forms each others and one another's, apostrophe each other, apostrophe s, comma s, and one another's, apostrophe s. They help to look after each other's children. We often stayed in one another's house. Means to say one another's, एक दूसरे के. We do not use reciprocal pronouns as the subject of a clause. Now, dear students, come to page number 19 of your books. Complete the following sentences with each other or one another. with each other or one another. Dear students, today we discuss about reciprocal pronouns and the possessive forms of the reciprocal pronouns. What are reciprocal pronouns? Reciprocal pronouns are when two people are involved. Then we use each other, and more than two people we use one another. And here we have to use each other for two people and one another for more than two people. Number one is some children got bored and started talking to some children. Here some children is showing more than two children. Then we have to use one and other. Clear? Okay. Number two, the students arrived for the camp and helped. The students, more than two students are here, arrived for the camp and helped one another to unpack. Clear? Okay. Now, number three, please turn to the person next to you. Please turn to the person next to you and exchange your books. Your books. Here is showing one person is saying to the other person, means to say two persons are here who is saying that you have to change your books with the other person. Means we have to use over here each other. For two people we have to use each other, and for more than two people we have to use one another. Now number four, if you all cooperate with, you all here is showing that more than two people are here, then we have to use one another. Clear? Okay. John and Jane stop teasing. John and Jane stop teasing. Two people are here. For two people we have to use each other. Yes. Now it's clear to all of you that we have to use each other for two people and one another for more than two people. Now number 6 point is the puppies were biting. Puppies, more than two puppies were there, were biting one another playfully. Yes, we have to use one another. Now number 7, after the bushfires, the people helped. The people, more than two people were there, the people helped one another to rebuild their homes. Now clear? Now come to the possessive forms. As I told you that you have to use each other apostrophe s. One another apostrophe s means to say each other's, one another's, each other's and one another's. For example, the number 1 point is the twins often borrowed each other. Twins often borrowed each other's pencils and paints. Number 2, the villagers appreciated one another's help. Villagers, more than two villagers were there, that's why we have to use one another's help. Number 3, can't the three of you understand the need to listen? Can't you three means to say more than two people are here. Three is showing that we have to use one another's point of view. Number 4, the two friends often used houses to stay at. The two friends often used houses means to say we have to use each other's houses. Each other we have to use. Number 5, the teams cheered. Teams, we have no idea how many teams were there. 2 teams, 4, 5, 6. No, we have no idea. That's why we have to use over here one another's performance at the end of the athlete carnival. Now number 6, did you and your brothers play with one another's toys when you were small? Now dear students, we have discussed today page number 19, pronouns and reciprocal pronouns and possessive forms of reciprocals. You have to complete the page number 19. You have to complete and you have to send me. This is your today's task.